Hi, this is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. We are here at the Raven H booth as part of PepCom. Right here we have a new digital assistant from them called, it's the Raven H, and it has an AI embedded in it called the DuraOS. It's basically it's going to be a competitor to Google Home or Google Home Mini or Amazon Alexa. The cool thing is that it's just a very fun form factor. It's going to have a lot of like a home assistant technology built in where you can connect to a lot of your smart home devices. But again, it just looks fun. And the cool thing about this is the top part here, it can disconnect and you can take it from, if you're in the kitchen and you want to go into the dining room, but you don't want to yell at your home assistant, you can take it with you and it connects and it's magnetized. So it's portable and it's fun. It's going to be available in the US here later in 2018. Pricing hasn't been established yet, but it's likely going to be around $300. And also, they have a new fun form factor that you can see behind me at the booth. It's this little robotic arm that is basically the same home assistant, but then it also has an LED panel on the front and likely is going to have a front-facing camera so it can track you around as you're moving within a room. Again, this is a competitive home assistant to like the likes of Google Home or Amazon Alexa speaker that you can keep around, and it's just fun looking. And this is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. This is the Raven H with the DuraOS AI built in for home assistants.